Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Afnan bin Sabuddin. I am studying at KKTM Balik Pulau, and today I'm going to talk about common sense. Firstly, what is common sense? Common sense is some practical judgment that usually develop through life experience rather than any kind of formal training. Developing common sense can seem like a difficult thing, but you can easily practice using common sense by being more aware and reflecting on situation before you make decisions. Firstly, I want to share with you guys how can we apply common sense to our decisions. We can apply common sense to our decision by compare the risks and rewards of a decision before choosing what to do. It means look at the positive and negative outcomes that could come from a decision you're making. You can either do it mentally if you need to make a quick decision, or you can write down a pros and cons list to determine what best for you to do. The second one is trust your initial feelings so you don't overanalyze things too much. Sometimes your gut reaction may be the best for you to do. Whenever you're faced with a decision, take notice of what your first instinct or answer is. Think about what good or bad consequences could come from the decision, and if the decision seems like the best one, then make it. And the third one is realize that it's okay to make a wrong decision every now and then. And as we know, everybody makes mistake and decision they regret, but that doesn't mean all is lost. If you recognize that you've made a poor decision, reflect on it and recognize what choice of you should have made for the best outcome. If you ever have a similar decision in the future, make the better choice rather than the one you made the last time. So now I'm going to tell you how can we practice common sense in our daily life. Firstly, don't do things that you know are bad for you. People with common sense make decisions based on what will provide the best, most positive outcome. If there are things that you know are bad for you, such as smoking or driving while under the influence, don't do them since they can have negative effect on your life. Secondly, be more observant of your surroundings. Stay aware of your surroundings at all times and pay attention to how people react around you to specific actions. Use your common sense to make decisions based on what's happening around you. For example, if you need to cross the street, wait until there aren't any cars driving by so you are safe. And the last one is accept that there are some things you cannot change. Common sense should tell you that some events happen and you can't change the outcome, but they shouldn't have a negative impact on your life. Learn to embrace the outcome by searching for the positive that come out of the event so you can see the bright side and pursue the best part.